going for. Let's go, some more.
I'm the king of the world.
Shit. Get your towels ready, it's about to go down. Everybody in the place hit the fucking deck, but stay on your motherfucking toes. We running this, let's go. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm sailing on a boat. I'm on a boat, I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the motherfucking boat. I'm on a boat, motherfucker, take a look at me. Straight floating on a boat on the deep blue sea. Bustin' 5 knots, wind whipping out my coat. You can't stop me, motherfucker, cause I'm on a boat. Fix your drink, I'm on a boat, bitch. We drinking Santana champ, cause it's so crisp. I got my swim trunks and my flippin' floppies. I'm flipping burgers, you at Kinko straight flipping cabbage. I'm riding on a dolphin, doing flips and shit. The dolphin splashing, getting everybody all wet. But this ain't SeaWorld, this is real as it gets. I'm on a boat, motherfucker, don't you ever forget. I'm on a boat, and it's going fast, and I got an article theme, pass me the Afghan. I'm the king of the world, on a boat like Leo. If you own the show, then you show not me. Get the fuck up, this boat is real. Fuck land, I'm on a boat, motherfucker. Fuck trees, I climb buoys, motherfucker. I'm on the deck with my boys, motherfucker.
We're taking a trip back to the house. Climbing up the into the rock.
You see me
Take a look.
We got a beast of a mouse coming up right here on the look. Let's see if we can get him.
Commentating by Flair Ward. Coming up the hill, we got some rough terrain. Got rough terrain.
You think you got the tow, Rich?
Hold on, let me take a view of this. Give it gas! Give it gas! He's smoking tires! He made it! He just jumped a ravine! He's climbing ravines! He's going uphill! The rock crawling machine! He says there's nothing to it as he's paddling through and gasping goes.
My calculations are correct. I think we can make the vertical of this next turn.
He says the vertical in the rut. Going back to citizen. He's going to sit. It's a crocodile. Crocodile, mate. Oh my gosh, a colossal ant bag. A colossal stork. The cowhead is coming. Killer ant. Hold on. It's dead. And there's. Oh, it's back up. Back to normal. Whoa. Holy shit. Here we go up. Everybody quiet. This is Tyrannosaurus. And these words is Tyrannosaurus Rex and Pterodactyl. Don't worry. We'll make it through it. Just hold on tight. This for a wrap.
That barn dude over there.
What's in that barn over there, man?
They say that the prehistoric reptiles over there.
Should we take a look around?
You reckon we ought to go over there?
I don't know, man. Do you have your tranquilizing dog?
Might be rated R.
That might be rated explicit. We can't do that. Let's go. Up the hill.
I feel like I'm on the Grand Canyon or something.
This is just like the Grand Canyon. Just kidding.
What are you talking about? Monsuba.
He said it was a Monsuba. What's that?
I think an anaconda just come up and start biting in the leg.
He saw an anaconda.
I gotta get to a hospital.
An anaconda bit him in the leg. Two fang anaconda.
Ambulance. Where's the lights at?
I hear him at your house already. Climbing down the hill, going down a 90-degree angle. I'm not good at math, but it's steep as hell. We're going around another turn.
That was probably the worst mistake I could have ever made.